Okay, I'd like to give you a quick demonstration of a cool node sensing soil humidity. You can see that I have a wire here running into a plant. Now, if you take a look at the soil in this plant, it's very moist. I know you'll agree with me. But I have a sensor in here, and I'm going to fake it and think that it's now dry. So if I unplug it, suddenly the node goes on. Now right now the node is connected to a solenoid valve, which is going to run that same drip system. So let's see, is it dripping? Yes it is. Look at this. Everything's getting watered just as planned. It's dripping right through. What a nice little system this is. Oh, yeah. Okay, now it's dripping just right. All the drip heads in place. And then I'm going to show you how I can shut it off by simply saying, okay, it's wet. I'm going to jam this in, and I have a good picture of it, back in the soil. Node goes off. Dripping is going to take a moment, but because the node is off, the dripping will stop in about a minute. Here's the node that senses the tank, because I have a tank sensor right underneath. I have the tank right over here. Now you can see that the tank is full. Okay, thanks to the wires, I'm going to fake it now and make believe that the tank is using up the water, and you'll see this hose right here suddenly turn on, because this node broadcasts to the tank to turn it on. So as I put it back in, what will happen is, as the water runs up to the top wire there, it's just going to touch and shut it off by radioing over to the other node to shut off. Here it is. I'm gonna run it right on it. That's it. By doing that, I shut it right off. And this is the pump's node that was being told to turn off by virtue of a broadcast from the tank. And the pump in the ditch suddenly knew to go on and off just as planned. How's that?